In this video, I will be showing you how to upload photos on Deepseek. Let's get started. First, I need to open my browser and go to chat.deepseek.com. When the main chat page loads, I can see the central navigation buttons labeled Instant, Expert, and Vision. To begin, I will hover my cursor over the Vision button to highlight it. Next, I click on the Vision button to switch Deepseek into its image understanding mode. After selecting this option, I can now find the small paperclip attachment icon located inside the text input box, just to the left of the blue send arrow. Now, I click on the attachment icon to open my computer's local file explorer. A file selection window appears showing my downloads folder. From here, I navigate to the image I want to upload, which is a portrait photo of a woman in a gold dress. I click on the image file to highlight it, and then click the Open button in the bottom right corner of the file explorer. Once selected, the File Explorer window closes, and I can see my chosen image is now successfully uploaded and displayed as a thumbnail preview directly inside the message input field. Next, I click inside the message text field to begin typing my query. I type out the message, "What can you say about the image?" in all capital letters. Once my question is fully written out and everything looks correct, I move my cursor to the blue send arrow button on the far right side of the text field. I click on this blue button to submit my image and question to Deepseek. As soon as I submit, the page updates to display the active chat interface. On the right side, my uploaded photo is clearly visible next to my typed message. Deepseek begins analyzing the image, and a loading indicator shows that the AI is processing the contents. In just a few moments, the response starts generating on the left side of the screen under the heading, "Based on the image, here is a breakdown of what can be observed." I can now scroll down the page to read the detailed text analysis provided by Deepseek. The AI breaks down the image structure systematically, starting with the subject and expression, where it describes the young woman with dark, voluminous wavy hair and her confident smile. It then breaks down the styling and makeup, detailing the polished but natural look, the loose glamour waves of her hair, and the strapless gold or champagne-colored dress. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.